And I think one of the most important traits of this program is the large number of elective courses, which would help you to basically design the study plan as you wish, basically, depending on what kind of career path you would want to take. And in terms of actual courses now, or let's say experiences within the program, like, can you maybe name a few examples that had an actual direct impact to your career path?
Sure. Well, I would divide like courses and experiences. Starting from the courses, like during also the selection phase with interviews and stuff like that. I followed the corporate strategy course with Professor Pedrini. That was very inspiring since we also carried out project, an M&A and merger and acquisition project with the Campari Group. And that helped me a lot entering into Kraft Heinz, that is a food and beverage company. And then furthermore, I would think about what I mentioned before. So cross-cultural management was with Professor Yadvinder Rana was very, very interesting. It was an elective course, and it changed my perspective in international business, because like it opened my mind on how different cultures merge and working together, and how like to behave when dealing with international teams, and also when dealing with bargaining maybe international deals. And I will also add the entrepreneurship course that was carried out by Professor Benedetto Canatelli. And it was very inspiring since we had the opportunity to meet a lot of guest speakers, a lot of venture capitalists, or also angel investors and like founders. And I think that even if now I'm working in a corporation, that was very inspiring, even if maybe you don't want to start working for a company, but you would like to start your own business. That is the course that is made for you. And like from the experience point of view, I would say that what was frequently asked me during the interviews were all the project that I carried out during my study career in the Master of Science, because I was not only a student, but I was also the student representative together with Miriam in the joint committee. And then I was also leading the first edition of the social media and communication team. And I was also student body. And those are like probably the most important activities that you have to show like in an interview, and that helped me a lot, since the company will see how you're able to manage different roles in the same environment with different objectives. And that's like a crucial skill if you want to like enter successfully in a corporate environment.
All right. So you've done it all basically. So
Exactly.
I think there's no better person maybe in terms of giving us some instructions or tips to, let's say, future students who are kind of considering this program but are not quite sure about, let's say, the employment outcome or a specific career. Like they want something in management but are not quite yet decided on what within management. What your advice would be?
Well, as I said, like you have um, you have almost a complete customization possibility for your study path, and like the non-elective courses are also like give you holistic view of the entire working career. So you will see marketing, you will see IT information systems, you will see accounting, many things. And if you were like as I was when I was like in first year and the second year, I didn't knew where was going to end up at the end when I finally graduated. So you will have a portfolio of courses, of knowledge, experiences that will basically open to you a lot of doors. If you want to go working in finance, you will have like the right courses that you followed. If you want to go to working in marketing, or like me, in international operations, I think that's the course for you, because like you don't want, when you're not certain about what will be your path, you don't want to go in something that is very specific, but like, for example, space engineering, something like that. You would like to go in a place where you will have an holistic view, a complete view of the working environment, and then you will choose, and you will have the tools to choose.
I can 100% agree with that. And what would your one sentence be?
Well, I will say I've been having nostalgic as well. Well, I will say people centric, because people are like the first pillar of the course, and plenty of inspirational projects and activity, and will be like the perfect path for your mind, heart, and working activities.